You'll find a fabulous collection of C2 Corvettes here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Take a look at our website, buyavette.net, and be sure to, if you want to see detailed photos of this car and also get the pricing on our cars when you watch these videos, just click the link right below this video. It will take you to that information. What a collector's item this is. 1965 Chevrolet Corvette Big Block Convertible. This is a fantastic car, and it's fun to just stand here and look at this car. It's so beautiful. Red exterior with white hood stinger, code correct black vinyl interior, and it has a beautiful white convertible top. Now it has a non-original 427 cubic inch engine with 4-speed manual transmission. Features on this car include added air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM cassette stereo. We know it was originally assembled on February 12, 1965. It's great to know that information. And this 65 Corvette Convertible checks boxes that are very popular with all of our buyers. Big block, red, and air conditioning with a 4-speed. It's in good condition as well. The car's paint is very good. It has a great shine. The hood stinger has been painted white and really makes a great color combination. The convertible top is in very good condition, and all exterior glass shows a correct date code. The front bumpers, they're beautiful. They show a good condition finish, with the rears showing an average finish. Taillights are very good, and rally wheels are in place with very good trim rings and center caps. Blackwall radial tires show an average 8/32 tread depth remaining, and the interior of this 65 Corvette Big Block Convertible shows good condition seats, dash pod, steering wheel, door panels, very good seat belts, and very good carpet as well. A vintage custom auto sound AM/FM cassette stereo has been added to the car, and the non-original 427 cubic inch engine in this car shows a casting number 3935439, and the original casting date of this engine was March 8, 1968. You get all the information on this car. We keep all this information on all of our cars. Additions to this engine include a Holley carburetor, 1966 427 cubic inch intake manifold, chrome valve covers, chrome water outlet, long tube headers, chrome radiator cap with heartbeat script, and a chrome flex fan. Frame is solid and rust-free. All of our cars here are hand-picked at buyavette.net. Remember, we make buying online something you can do with ease and with confidence. And remember, we ship nationwide, and we can do that less expensive than you would ever imagine. This is not a car that you'd take to NCRS judging for its originality, but we think you'll agree that it offers quite a bit of fun for the money nonetheless. Check out the pricing in the link down below, and then give one of our sales representatives a call here, and they'll help you put this car in your driveway. What fun this would be. It's a real collector's car. If you'd like to know more about this Corvette, give one of our sales representatives a call at 770-414-5552. And they'll help you with this car or any Corvette you might be interested in. We're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia.